Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to properly isolate a tube temperature sensor to prevent it from getting damaged. In many projects, we need a sensor like this to measure internal temperature. However, these sensors are unprotected and can easily fail due to electrical interference. To solve this, we've designed a dedicated isolator board made specifically for this purpose. The board is clearly marked. One side connects to the PIERRE controller and the other to the sensor. We start by wiring the sensor side. We connect the 3.3 volt power line to the red wire, then the signal wire, which is yellow, and finally the GND, which is black. On the other side, we connect the isolator board to the PIERRE. We use the 5 volt output, a configurable I/O pin, and the GND. In this example, we're using the 5th configurable I/O. After wiring, we power on the system. As we can see, both the power supply and the PIERRE light up, meaning everything is working. Next, we open the partner application, select our controller, then go to Configurable I/O and choose Add from the list. We select the temperature sensor DS18B20 and name it Temp with Isolator. We choose the 5th pin, since that's where it's connected, and then Submit. We add the sensor to the Academy dashboard, save the setup, and open the user application. Immediately, we can see the current temperature around 25.8 degrees. When we warm the sensor, the temperature rises in real time. Everything works perfectly. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.